Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students. Today discuss about metric measures. So, from your workbook, page number 34, the weight of a papaya is 750 grams. How many kg will it weigh? See here, grams is converted into kilograms beta. Now solution, the given question is the weight of papaya is 750 grams. See here, grams is convert into kilograms. See here, 750 grams is equals to how many kilograms? So, grams is converted to kilograms means you have to take division. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams beta. Then you can write here 750 by 1000. See here, any number is divided by 1000. The point is moved left side 3 places. So you can write here, where is point located here? This means this point is moved this side. So then you can write 0.750 kg. So point before there is no number means you can write 0. Then you can write this is 0.75 kg, kilogram. Now next one is convert 2635 milliliter into liters and milliliters. So this is very easy beta. So first write down 2635 milliliters. Now here solution, milliliter is convert into liters. So here the small quantity is converted to big quantity. Then you have to take divided. Now here 2635 milliliter is equals to how many liters and milliliters. See here, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Then you can write here 2635 by 1000. See here, any number is divided by 1000, the point move to the left side 3 places. See here, this is the point, move to here after 2 before 6. Then you can write here 2.635 liters means here 2 liter. Point before number is taking as liter, 2 liter, and point after digits you have to take milliliter. 2 liter 635 milliliter. Write down everybody. Now see here, one easy method is there. So I can say, everybody listen carefully. So the given problem is 2635 milliliters. So what is this? This is converted into liters and milliliters. Means in a given number, from right to first three places it goes to milliliter, the remaining goes to liter. Then you can write 2 liter 635 milliliter directly. Now next one is the capacity of a water can is 20 liter. What is the capacity in milliliters? See here, the capacity of a water can is equals to 20 liters. So liter is converted to milliliter, means the small quantity is converted to big quantity, then we have to take multiplication by 1000. See here, 20 liters, that is equals to 20 into 1000 milliliter. Why? Because so 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. See here, you can write 20,000 milliliter. So 20 is multiplied by 1000, you can get 20,000 milliliter. Now next one is, each milk packet contains 500 milliliter milk. How many packets are needed to fill a can of 25 liters capacity? Listen carefully, this is very very important. See here, the capacity of the milk packet. The capacity of a milk packet, that is equals to 500 milliliters. Next, how many packets are needed to fill a can of 25 liters of capacity? The capacity of can, the capacity of a can, that is equals to 25 liters. So you can find out number of milk packets. See here, number of milk packets. Number of milk packets, that is equals to 25 liters divided by 500 milliliters. See here, liter is converted into milliliter, so 25 into 1000. Then you can do the rough work here. 25 into 1000, you can get 25,000 milliliter. Write down here, 25,000 milliliters divided by 500 milliliters. Now see, listen carefully. 500 taking as division and 25,000 taking as dividend. Then see here. So 500 into 5. 500, 500, 5 5 is 25. So I have to take from left to right side 4 digits. That is 500, 5 is 2500. See here 2500 means 0. Then next to bring down 0 to the remainder. 500 zeros are 0. So how many in each? 50 packets. Therefore, number of milk packets is equals to 50. Hello? Motor kapan udah dulu? Kayak dulu ya. Ready saja nih. Unte hoy. Mali సాయంత్రం జలుబు తీసుకుంటూ ఏమో తెలియదు సెకండ్ ఎప్పుడు మేడం నువ్వు చూసుకుంటూ ఉండి లెక్కేస్తలేదట. Now next beta, Suresh bought half kg potatoes for 15 rupees. Ramesh bought 500 grams potatoes for 15 rupees. So which was the better deal? See here, Suresh bought half kg. Half kg means 500 grams potatoes for 15 rupees. Ramesh bought 500 grams of potatoes for 15 rupees. Which was the better deal? Which was the better deal? See beta once again. See here once again. Suresh bought half kg potatoes for 15 rupees. Ramesh bought 500 grams of potatoes for 15 rupees. Which was the better deal? See here, this is one logic is there in this problem. See, half kg means 500 grams for 15 rupees. Next, 500 grams for 15 rupees. See here, same. Now you can write here, both are the equal deals. So you can write here, both are the equal deal. Write down everybody. Now next beta, solve the following word problems. Ahmed bought 12 meter 80 centimeter of shirting cloth. He stitched 3 shirts using 2 meter 20 centimeter for each shirt. How much cloth is used to stitch the 3 shirts in total? How much cloth is left? See here, listen carefully. This is very important problem. So now I am explaining once again. Ahmed bought 12 meter 80 centimeter of stitching cloth. So you can write here the total length of the cloth. The total length of the cloth, that is equals to 12 meter 80 centimeter. See here, he stitched 3 sets using 2 meter 20 centimeter for each set. The length of cloth is needed to stitched per each shirt is equals to 2 meter 20 centimeter. See here, the length of cloth is needed to stitch for each shirt. So that is equals to 2 meter 20 centimeter. The length of cloth used for 3 shirts, that is equals to 2 meter 20 centimeter is multiplied with 3 beta. With 3. See here, you can write here meter centimeter. 2 meter 20 centimeter into 3. See here, 300, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. So write down everybody. The length of cloth used for 3 shirts, that is equals to 6 meter 60 centimeter. So you can find out the remaining length of the cloth. Then you can write remaining the length of cloth is equals to 12 meter 80 centimeter minus 6 meter 60 centimeter. See here, remaining the length of cloth, that is equals to 12 meter 80 centimeter minus 6 meter 60 centimeter. So here write meter centimeter, 12 meter 80 centimeter, 6 meter 60 centimeter. Then you can do subtraction. See here 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 6 2. See here 12, 12 minus 6 we can get 6. The remaining cloth is equals to 6 meter 20 centimeter. Now next one beta, listen carefully. A tin has 3 liter 400 milliliter of paint. Another tin has 5 liter 750 milliliter of paint. Both tins are emptied into a large empty tin. How much paint does the large tin hold now? See here, the capacity of tin. The capacity of a tin, that is equals to 3 liter 400 milliliter. Now next, the capacity of another tin. The capacity of another tin, that is equals to 5 liter 750 milliliters of paint. See here, the quantity of the total quantity of paint, that is equals to 3 liter 400 milliliter plus 5 liter 750 milliliters. So write down here liters and milliliters. Now 3 liter 400 milliliter plus 5 liter 750 milliliter. See, add it. Now here 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. The total quantity of paint. The total quantity of paint, that is equals to 9 liter 150 milliliter. Write down everybody. See now next one is Anita weighs 1245 grams more than Sunita. See here, Anita weighs 1245 grams more than Sunita. If Sunita weighs 28 kg 845 grams, what is Anita's weight? See here, listen carefully everybody. First you can write Sunita's weight. That is equals to 28 kg 845 grams. Now we can find out the weight of Anita. See here, you can find out the weight of Anita. See Anita's weight. That is equals to 1245 grams more than Sunita's weight. That is equals to, so Sunita's weight 28 kg 845 grams plus 1245 grams. So it can be written as 28 kg 845 grams plus here 1245 grams in it. So first 3 digits from right side goes to grams, remaining digits goes to kilograms. Means here 1 kg 245 grams. Then add it. You can write kg and grams separately. Now here 28 kg 845 grams. Next 1 kg 245 grams. See here 5 plus 5 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 2 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2 3. So the weight of Sunita is 30 kg 90 grams. Therefore the weight of Anita, that is equals to 30 kg means kilograms 90 grams. Write down it. Now next one is each packet of Boost weigh 750 grams. What will be the weight of cotton holding 25 such Boost packets? See here. Each packet Boost weighs 750 grams. So the weight of each Boost packet, the weight of each Boost packet, that is equals to 750 grams. Number of Boost packets given. Number of Boost packets. that is equals to 25. Now you can find out the weight of cotton. So therefore the weight of cotton, that is equals to 750 grams into 25. See here, 750, this is only grams, into 25. See here, 500, 5 5s are 25, in it 5 taking, carrying 2, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2, you can get 37, write down total. So now cut it ones place, 200, 2 5s are 10, in it 0 taking, write down below 7 and carrying 1. Next 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 you can get 15, write down. So 5 write down below 3, 1 write down beside of the 5. Now next add it, 0, 5, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 1. So 18,750 grams. Therefore the weight of cotton, that is equals to 18,750 grams. So here separate and kgs and grams here in a given number from right to left side. First 3 digits goes to grams, remaining digits are goes to kilograms. Then 18 kg 750 grams. Okay, thank you everybody.